Welcome. If you've ever wanted to let your friends add you to their private servers on Roblox using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure your settings are just right, so your friends can invite you without any hassle. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the bottom of the sidebar and find the icon labeled More. Go ahead and click on that to open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control all the important aspects of your Roblox experience, including privacy and who can interact with you. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a section called Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it. This is the area where you manage your account's privacy, including who can contact you, join your games, and, most importantly for today, who can add you to private servers. Next, scroll down until you find the Visibility and Private Servers section. Click on Private Servers. Here, you'll see the options for who can add you to their private servers. By default, this might be set to friends, or even no one, which can make it tricky for your friends to invite you if they're not already on your list, or if you want a wider group to have access. To change this, simply select the option labeled Everyone. This setting allows anyone to add you to their private servers, making it much easier for your friends to invite you, even if you've just met in-game or haven't added each other yet. Once you've chosen Everyone, your settings will update automatically. There's no need to save or confirm. Roblox does it for you. And that's it. Now your friends can easily add you to their private servers, and you won't miss out on any of the fun. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can update their settings too. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next Roblox adventure.